Let's make peppermint cream cheese frosting. I'm Chef Maeve, and I want to keep the holidays sweet and simple. This is good, but you know how to make him great? Let's stuff the little guy. I have the Finlandia original cheese spread, Finlandia imported salted butter. The reason I'm doing a peppermint frosting is I feel like you can use it for so many things. You can make sandwich cookies, you put hot cinnamon buns and just let this melt over it. So we're gonna turn on our mixer, just gonna cream them together. So we have some vanilla bean paste, peppermint extract, turn it on low. We're just gonna let our confectioner's sugar come in. Now that most of it's mixed in, we're gonna fire this bad boy up. That's it. So I made little gingerbread men. I think they're cute to decorate really simply. We're gonna take another little man and just squish them together. Some crushed peppermints. Oh my gosh, how cute is this little man? Seriously.